And now we move from the urban cities to the mountains. Let's discover what is SnowScoot. SnowScoot is created by someone who is genius. He's Bruce Rulfo, the founder. He will join me in a few seconds here on stage. Bruce is a champion of SnowScoot, and his passion is to create a new object to have fun on snow. A little bit risky, but it's something really, really interesting. So I'm pleased to welcome Bruce Rulfo for an interview. Hi, Bruce.
Hi.
Let us maybe discuss more about your background.
Well, in fact, I'm an ex-French motorcycle pilot. The race, in fact, is my ADN.
Mm-hmm.
So it's the history in the SnowScoot is ADN of the racing. Because at the base I was good in riding, but
mm-hmm.
not on jumps.
Mm-hmm.
So I needed to improve myself. I need to find a technical solution, in fact. And so I start to use rubbers between the boards and the frame to make something more smooth.
Okay.
And the feeling was great. And I say, yes, that's it, but I need more. And that's why I started to develop a SnowScoot suspended.
So maybe we should enter in details about what is a SnowScoot. It is not so popular, but of course, we hope that it's on the way. Is it like a scooter for
yes, like a
for skiing, something like that?
Kick scooter,
yeah.
In fact, with wheels like childs are using every time, but mm-hmm. with boards. And in fact, it born in 1991. A Frenchman made this, Frank Petou, and so now it's maybe close to 100% of resorts in France allowed this.
So SnowScoot or SnowScooting is not, like we said, a standardized product, but no. it is your objective, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. We, in fact, to grow up the SnowScoot market, we need to improve laws, etc., and so to be good in technically, and option with SolidWorks are making us a step more than other brands, and so we want to be the leader, to show what we have to do and to be the first, and it will be our history to be the first, because I've got a personal specific history, because I was racing, developing, mm-hmm. and winning, mm-hmm. with so it's my history like this. So we want to carry on using this card, because we have, I think we are making a step more than other brands, so we keep on working on this.
Yeah, what is interesting with you, Bruce, is that I understand that you are seeking performances, performances for riding, for the sport itself, but also for different technical performances, because it is very useful. Can you just explain why?
Well, as I told you, my first SnowScoot was with a minimum absorptions, mm-hmm. And I've always made a kind of empiric development, step by step, because not enough money to break something, not enough time, etc. So always small steps. So in 10 years, I've done something that enables me to win 5 world titles. But at the end, in 1 year and 1 year and a half, with SolidWorks, we made the same work we have done during the 10 last years. So for us, it's so different. And I've got injured 7 years ago.
Oh yes.
I've got 4 bones welded in my neck. So now when I come close to a big jump, etc., before I was not breaking in anyway. It was impossible for me to break. Now I am breaking, and I'm 50 years old. But this year, with the last product we have done with SolidWorks, in fact, I have now a SnowScoot that is so better that I have ever done before, that I get back big confidence, and so now I'm starting again not to break.
So the specs, of SnowScoots are a guarantee of the way that you can SnowScoot in a way, the way that you can ride and the way that you can protect yourself.
Yes, in fact, it's more and more easy to ride a SnowScoot because we make a lot of progress, and so it's good for every people that will start, but it's good too for the race. And so now I can say that I'm faster than a few years ago because I'm confident in my new material, and it's due to the cooperation with SolidWorks that believe in us, talk with us and support us, and I'm just so thankful because I'm a little company that is working in his cave, you know, and
you work in a garage in a way,
and
like Steve Jobs.
Yeah.
Yes, that was a start, you know.
Yes, but he was younger maybe, and maybe with a better mind than mine. But anyway, so I'm so thankful because that's incredible for me. That's a so big companies and Dassault with SolidWorks can get interest for me and for my spirit, etc. So that's what, and at the end, all relationship we have together confirm that this feeling with a good company who take care of human person that they are speaking with. So that was incredible for me, even more than the SolidWorks, the tool, because I never have so much compassion and
empathy, and
yes,
it's not
exactly.
all. It's not only on technology itself, but also on relationships.
That's why I'm here to say thank you, because no one helped me like this in my life before. So and the tool is so impressive that well, I'm lucky.
You are a fan of SolidWorks technology.
Yes, definitely.
So thank you so much for for having with us today for Innovation Day. It's very inspiring, and we wish you good luck to achieve. But I'm sure you will succeed. I'm sure you will succeed. Thank you so much, Bruce. Thank you.